Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 1st of February afternoon analysis. On this video, we will cover some charts as always. And then before we start, I will share some news with you. First of all, we have received just 1 hour ago Canadian GDP growth month over month, and it was positive. The expectation was 0.3 plus, and the realization is 0.6, slightly better than expected GDP growth. So on this concept, on this momentum, this was, by the way, also for November. Still, they will publish December earnings, and most probably it will be better because in December we have seen high prices of oil. So it was on climb, and we will just receive good data from that side as well. All right, let's start with our first chart. By the way, in 2 hours we will receive the first ISM data of the month, the US ISM data. We will just see how manufacturing is going in US market. We will just receive that one. All right, the first chart will be Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. On this currency pair, as you can see, there is a decline trend. The reason, the oil prices on this level, it is testing 86, 87. When it just do that, oil prices test these levels, Canadian dollar is rising. When it just goes back to 86, 85 level, then it's declining. And right now, oil is just giving the signals of future declines, because it cannot go higher than 87, 88 level, and today it's on decline as well. Political risks are just easing. Why I'm saying this one, and last night the gas flow from Russia to Europe via Ukraine has been doubled. That's good mark, because that's another important thing. Russia just wants to just kind of calm down the environment. If that happens, we will see relaxation in oil prices as well, and really gas prices. Already we are seeing that effect, and the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen will be lower. So that's the expectation. As you can see here, these currency pair has risen already. Let me just show you here, has risen from 87 level to this level. So there's a lot of room to go down, at least settle down at 88 level, 89 level. It's most possible scenario in oil price decline. Please just take your step carefully and then take your profits. Let's look at our next chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
All right, our next chart is Ethereum USD. So Ethereum prices are just rising on the last couple of days. When you just look at that one for the last 2 days, actually for the last 2 days, I can say that, because Bitcoin is trying to go higher than 38K, to just reaching close to 39K. It's just giving hope to investor of all altcoins and Ethereum. So it's rising, but as long as we see just below 2900 levels, we cannot say it's over. An important thing right now is the RSI. While doing these drives, RSI has just reached to 70 level, and RSI in cryptocurrencies work perfectly in many cases. As you can see here, when you just get close to that level on here, we have seen sell-off. When it just like it goes to really low levels, RSI 30 level, and then it just made a jump. Right now it seems that just getting into overbought territory just before trying these resistance, so we may see some consolidation, and it may like just like some correction as well, but that correction should be small one just to correct these RSI, otherwise it will just go down fast. That's the expectation. So please just trade these commodity, the digital commodity, carefully. All right, let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is euro dollar. As you can see here, euro dollar is just testing the resistance area, which is important because it's 112 65 area, and one step ahead, just the important one. It's the most possible, it's the most traded range, as you can see here, from the mid of November, almost 2 months. It just traded between these lines. Right now it's just getting to closer to that level. If that happens, it will just but it cannot go higher than this level. Probably it will just be a good sell point, and even right now we see a small relaxation, small easing from this point. RSI as well is just confirming this one, just getting to occur. The rise is just like a getting over, and we see relaxation on that one. Probably some of the gains will just be lost because it started from this point, from 1 to 11 to this point, and it will just give back some of its earnings. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news tomorrow morning. Have a nice and profitable day.